part of the 1,000.
No, it's not.
Here, like here, is a home track to me.
Well, watch this. This is gonna piss you off.
It's like 2 or 3 hours from my house.
Chris, what does that say under my name, sir?
About to be out of the top 8.
Oh, no, that says number 8. That's ridiculous. Now remember, we have a $10,000 bet next year. Who's higher?
That's right, baby. That's
so,
right.
Here.
$10,000 bet next year we have.
Here,
Lock it in.
Chris, let's go. You hold that side. I'll hold this side. So next year,
point fingers here, please.
Go. Hold on.
Hey, so I want to remember next year this race. As long as I think I got you at like 38, and you have me at number 1.
No, you got that.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought
we are now 29th, by the way, and we've only been to 7 races.
Listen, you beat Ryan Martin last week.
Have you beat Ryan
and
Martin?
You still raced your way in today.
Have you beat Ryan Martin yet?
Yes, sir. I have not.
Get that on camera.
So would you have rather beat Ryan Martin in 29th or 8th and not beat Ryan Martin?
No, I'd rather be I'd rather be Martin. You know why? Because what's 8? I want 1. 8 means.
We're out here in Steele, Alabama. We had to race our way in this weekend. Tough deal because we have to race our way in, but we made 1 test hit. Car flew. It's been faster than ever was. Put a little bit more power to it against Chuck 55, which was our race our way in guy, and. We literally blew his door off. His door flew off. We were out ahead of him. We made a killer pass. Again, that was our next fastest run we've ever made in that car so far. And hopefully today we'll go some rounds in the Invitational and try to win that 40,000. Right, I'm here in Steele, Alabama, racing Season 5, Street Outlaws MPK. We had to race our way in this weekend. We've been behind on points and stuff. Started driving Gucci mid-season here. So we have Chuck 55 for the first round of Race Your Way In. We beat them. Everything went good. We made a great run. One of the fastest runs we made up to date so far with the car. And then we got by Chuck. Then we drew for first round, which we drew David Gates.
Yep.
So we drew David Gates, and he's driving Kai Kelly's new shocker car. They traded up, I guess, for this weekend. So we knew we were going to have a tough round there, first round. We stepped it up, put some more in the car, went out, gave him a good race. It was close at the finish line. He got out on us by the 330. Had us, and then we pulled him back in, and right at the finish line we looked at the 360 cameras. About half a car were behind him. He got us and ended our weekend, and we'll go out to Texas and just keep chipping away at the car, making it faster and faster, and hopefully go some more rounds and maybe win 40,000 Texas.